Finally, we look at regulators of financial system of Bangladesh. There are four main regulators of the financial system of Bangladesh. They are number one, Bangladesh Bank, which is the central bank of Bangladesh. Number two, Securities and Exchange Commission, which regulates the capital market of Bangladesh. Number three, Microcredit Regulatory Authority, which monitors and controls microfinance institutions in Bangladesh. Number four, Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority, which monitors and controls insurance companies in Bangladesh. Let's look at Bangladesh Bank first. Bangladesh Bank is the central bank of Bangladesh, which was established on December 16, 1971. The main functions of Bangladesh Bank are formulate and implement monetary policy, that means to control money supply of the economy, then to formulate and implement intervention policies in the foreign exchange market. Though Bangladesh Bank directly does not control foreign exchange market, but through its monetary policies, through its interventions policies in foreign exchange market, indirectly it can control exchange rate of currencies. Then give advice to the government on the interaction of monetary policy with fiscal and exchange rate policy. Then Bangladesh Bank holds and manages the official foreign reserves of Bangladesh. That means the foreign reserve which are received by Bangladesh. The Bangladesh Bank in this case work as a banker of Bangladesh Bank to hold and manage foreign currencies. Then Bangladesh Bank also promotes, regulates and ensures a secure and efficient payment system, including the issue of banknotes. Bangladesh Bank is the only institution in Bangladesh which can issue banknotes in Bangladesh. Finally, Bangladesh Bank also regulates and supervises all the commercial banks and financial institutions in Bangladesh. Let's look at the core policies of Bangladesh Bank. Number one, monetary policy. You already know that Bangladesh Bank formulates the monetary policy. The Bangladesh Bank issues monetary policy statement twice in a year, in January and in July. Then reserve management strategy. Bangladesh Bank maintains the foreign exchange reserve on behalf of the Bangladesh government, and Bangladesh Bank need to maintain foreign exchange reserve to control fluctuations in exchange rate. Then interest rate policy. Bangladesh Bank decides on behalf of the government what should be the interest rate for loans and deposits. For example, Bangladesh Bank has decided that on behalf of the government, the interest rate on most loans should not be more than 9%. Let's look at the other core policies of Bangladesh Bank. Capital adequacy for banks and financial institutions. Basel III has been implemented by Bangladesh Bank to strengthen the capital base of banks. In the meantime, all the casual banks in Bangladesh are required to maintain a minimum capital of 4 billion or the capital to risk-weighted asset ratio 10%. Then deposit insurance. There is also policies of deposit insurance to protect small savers or small depositors of commercial bank if any commercial bank becomes bankrupt. In this case, the protection limit is up to 0.1 million. Let's look at the functions of other regulators. Number two, Insurance Development and Regulatory Authority. This authority is responsible to regulate and control insurance companies operating in Bangladesh. Then Securities and Exchange Commission. Securities and Exchange Commission is responsible to regulate and control capital market of Bangladesh and to formulate policies for intermediaries who are working in the capital market. In the meantime, issuance of capital and financial instruments by public limited companies in Bangladesh. Finally, Microcredit Regulatory Authority. This authority is responsible to monitor, control, and formulate policies for microfinance institutions, including NGO microfinance institutions. However, Microcredit Regulatory Authority is not does not control or monitor Grameen Bank. That means the Grameen Bank is not controlled by Microcredit Regulatory Authority. That's all about Module 2. In Module 3, we'll cover Central Bank, the prime controller and regulator of financial system.